Shoulder pain is a common complaint that can be caused by a variety of factors. Here are 10 potential causes of shoulder pain. Rotator cuff injuries. The rotator cuff is a group of muscles and tendons that attach the shoulder blade to the upper arm bone. Injuries to the rotator cuff can cause pain and weakness in the shoulder. Frozen shoulder, also known as adhesive capsulitis. Frozen shoulder is a condition in which the shoulder joint becomes stiff and painful. Bursitis. Bursitis is an inflammation of the fluid-filled sacs that cushion the joints, and can cause pain and swelling in the shoulder. Tendinitis. Tendinitis is an inflammation of the tendons that attach muscles to bones, and can cause pain and stiffness in the shoulder. Arthritis. Arthritis is a condition in which the joints become inflamed, and can cause pain and stiffness in the shoulder. Impingement syndrome. Impingement syndrome is a condition in which the tendons of the rotator cuff become compressed or pinched, causing pain and weakness. Fractures. Fractures or breaks in the bones of the shoulder can cause pain and limit range of motion. Shoulder instability. Shoulder instability occurs when the shoulder joint is loose and slides around too much, causing pain and instability. Referred pain. Pain in the shoulder can sometimes be caused by problems in other areas of the body, such as the neck or upper back. Overuse injuries. Repetitive overhead motions, such as those used in sports like baseball or tennis, can cause overuse injuries in the shoulder, leading to pain and weakness.